Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for fresh, bold and stylish haircut for black men in 2025, you are in the right spot. We are not talking about copying trends that don't work for our texture. We are talking about real cuts that works and looks great on our African hair. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button because every week we drop content to keep you fresh, confident and original. Let's dive into 7 hairstyles for black men in 2025. Number 1. Low fades with waves. Waves never go out of style. This cut is clean, low maintenance and sharp when laid upright. Brush regularly, use wave cream or pomades, and get a good doerage to keep it spinning. Number 2. Afro taper fade. Let your curls shine with a classic shape up. The top stay natural while the sides are taped. It frames your face well and works with any outfit. School, work or wedding. Use curl enhancing cream to keep your hair looking healthy and defined. Number 3. Sponge twist. This is perfect for medium length afro hair. Use a curl sponge or twist comb to create defined curls or coil. You can also lock it into short threads if you want a long-term lock. This style is low stress and super cool. Number 4. High top fade. The 90s are back with a twist. This updated high top fade adds structure, volume and personality. Perfect for square or oval face and works with dense and kinted hair. Pair it with a fade or design on the side to level it up. Number 5. A taper cut with beard combo. A smooth taper cut paired with a clean beard is undefeated. It's classy, grown, and gives that gentleman vibe. Great for professionals, students, and grooms. Number 6. Clean bald cut. Don't fight your hair loss. If your crown is thinning, this is a style you go for. A bald cut paired with a shaped up beard makes a statement. Polish, natural, mature, and low maintenance. Number 7. The boss cut. Quick, neat, and powerful. Boss cut works great for African hair and highlights your facial structure. It's simple, timeless, and always bold. That's it for the 7 best hairstyles for African men in 2025. Which one are you feeling and which have you tried before? Let us know in the comments and share your own haircut tips. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell for more videos on African men's fashion, grooming, and confidence. Until next time, see you in the next video.